This light and healthy carrot cake is a delicious, guilt-free treat packed with nutrients. Made with wholesome ingredients, it's perfect for anyone looking to satisfy their sweet tooth while keeping their health goals in mind. It's low in sugar, rich in fiber, and full of the natural sweetness of carrots. Ingredients: 2 medium carrots, grated. 2 large eggs. A quarter cup, 60 milliliters, olive oil or coconut oil. A quarter cup, 60 milliliters, honey or maple syrup, optional, depending on desired sweetness. Half a cup, 120 milliliters, unsweetened applesauce. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup, 120 g, whole wheat flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. A quarter teaspoon ground nutmeg. A quarter teaspoon salt. Half a cup, 50 g, chopped walnuts or almonds, optional. A quarter cup, 20 g, raisins or dried cranberries, optional. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch round or square baking pan or line it with parchment paper. Prepare the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, olive oil or coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, applesauce, and vanilla extract until smooth. Add the grated carrots, stir in the grated carrots, mixing well to combine. Mix the dry ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together the whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Add optional ingredients. If using, fold in the chopped walnuts or almonds and raisins or cranberries for added texture and flavor. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips. Sweetness. If you prefer a sweeter cake, feel free to add a little more honey or maple syrup. Frosting. For a lighter option, top your cake with a thin layer of Greek yogurt mixed with a teaspoon of honey, or enjoy it plain for a simple, healthier treat. Storage. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. This light and healthy carrot cake is a perfect balance of delicious flavor and nutritious ingredients. It's a great option for a snack or dessert that won't derail your healthy eating habits.